Review lose in life first time in the of light lever enzymes dearly where movements claim stands a prince within a golden dream my smile not mere craves but the voice of my a whisper of love that make broken heart whole eyes lifted not kiss a alone, but to visions of hear my heart true throne. She is the reason behind this glance above the unspoken prayer, the astonishing of qualities in white yet clothed in grace. A leader, a love time cannot replace this key thing. This crown of disgust prayed were not just with the power, love of my side. My handsome is not the flesh alone, but in how I made my heart her sums. Each look I give, each I breathe, claim crashes the echoes of the secret is name. Let them see the freshness they but now it love that brought me here, a man, a real love, and still here one forever hears in a flesh and bone in every frame here. I stand for two, my people, my coin in all I do. This is my view of my tender art. The lead with strength and love with air. There is something I've been meaning to say and thought. Though tell you often that I love you, sometimes words still feel short of experiences in the depth of that I truly feel. But tonight I want to try not just in a few sentences, but a message that hold all the little things I carry in my heart every single day. You change my world in the most beautiful way. Before you, life was fine, but with you, it red night. You brought color into my life. Do not even know existed. You made me believe in the kind of love that poem songs are written about. When I looked at you, do not just see the praise and so I love you, see my best friend, myself, my greatest gift, and my future. I love you the way your eyes light up when you talk about the things you passionate about. The way you are lighter feels like music that lingers in my chest long after you stops. I love you, strength, you are softness, you are imperfections, and you are brilliance, you are everything. I never known I needed, but no, cannot imagine living without you. Are the first thing I think about when I wake up, and the last persons I want to talk to before I fell asleep. When even we are part, you are with me in my thoughts, in my smile, in my everything good and firm. I feel loving you have taught me so much about patience, about joy. You helped me grow into a better of myself just by being how you are. And no matter how many days, months, or year pass, promise you this: I will never take your love of granted. I will be fight for us on earth. They celebrate us on the good time one. And trust you are every moment in between. I chooses you hour and hour in every lifetime and versions of this. So this is my praying heart into words, hoping feel just how deeply you are loved. You are my sunshine on my dark days, my patience in choices, my favorite everything. Thank you for being loving me, letting me love you, for simply existing in this world at the same time as me, my love. We have a good news. I go to get together in with my father. Every important meeting that conversing me and you because the interesting I have expected that once you come over, they will register you as citizen of Dubai because I told them that you are going to my wife. I am far very happy for that because I really wanted to you come on because I have great plan for us really wanted to be together because my father have been